You deposit $400 in an account that earns 5% interest compounded. You're gonna see that word when you need to use the compound formula. Annually, once per year. What is the balance in your account after 4 years? In your last calculation, round to the nearest cent. So the formula that hopefully you wrote down is B equals P, which is the principal, times 1 plus R over N, all raised to the N times T power. These represent different things. P is the principal, just like the last one. It's the amount you put in. R is the rate, which we've done that already. Has to be in decimal form. The new thing is this N. This is the number of times compounded per year. And then T is still the same thing, it's the number of years. So if we fill in our information now, balance equals the principal, we put in $400. 1 plus our rate was 5%, so 0.05, over N. N is the number of times per year it's compounded, and it says it's just annually, which is 1 time per year. So that number goes there, and it also comes right back up here, and we multiply that by T, the number of years, 4. What we just did is the hardest part. So now we can use our order of operations. Order of operations says you figure out everything in the parentheses first. So in the parentheses I have addition, I also have division, so division would come first. 0.05 divided by 1 is just 0.05, plus 1 is 1.05. Here the exponent is 1 times 4, which is 4. So there's what we have. Then order of operations. You can do multiplication next, or you can do exponents next. Which one comes first in order of operations? Exponents. So we have to do 1.05 to the 4th power. Now you're going to get a ridiculous decimal. I don't know if you could see that. That's a long decimal, right? You don't even need to write that. Just go ahead and hit, oh, there we go, times 400. Boom, and we get that decimal. We get 486.2025. We're gonna round to the nearest cent, which is 20. That is our balance in the account. So figure out everything in the parentheses first, then bring in the exponent. The last step is to multiply it by that principal amount.